In this video, we'll demonstrate how a product manager can utilize the Cyclr platform to quickly and efficiently create a rapid API connection. Imagine you're working with a sales SaaS application that already provides a range of APIs for various resources, including master data for contact management. Now you need to sync this contact data with popular CRM systems. The first step is to establish a rapid API connection. For a fast and straightforward solution, our Quick Connector tool allows you to integrate with REST-style APIs in just a few minutes. To begin, drag the Quick Connector HTTP request icon onto the blank canvas. Configure the connector by giving it a descriptive name, such as list contact, to clearly define its purpose. Next, select the HTTP method and enter your API's endpoint URL. Choose the authentication type. Options include basic auth, API key, OAuth 1, OAuth 2, and more. For our case, we'll select API key. If required, you can also define the paging information to handle paginated responses. For HTTP response, paste in a sample JSON response to automatically generate the required fields for mapping. Enter your API key in the designated field. Once your configuration is complete, perform a quick test to ensure the connection is properly established and functioning as expected. Thank you very much for your watching. I am looking forward to see you to build your first integration in our Cyclr platform. Bye.